Hey, car spotting! I need some windy. Come on, give it to
That's
me.
the dandelion, right?
Oh. Verwin Cafe.
Where's the Godzilla?
It's gonna come out of this.
You have boba.
No, look at the white thingy.
Yeah?
It'll gonna form as Godzilla.
Really?
Yeah. You don't believe me?
What? Okay.
You don't believe me? Look at it. Look at it. They're just gonna roar and slap you in the face.
Ah! He slapped Cobb.
I can imagine him slapping someone like he's like this, right? And then
He just likes to put his arms back. This part, his arms are not like this short. He just likes to put it like that. Right?
so it extends like this.
Yeah, it extends
Come
long.
on, bro.
That's why he could slap Cobb.
That's too much. He's already strong and he can do it. Motor spotting. Yeah.
Arms like that, he's able to slap Kong.
Hey, can you give me a cup where I can spit out the boba? I don't like boba.
Chew it with the bubble gum, dude. Hey, that's a song. Just chew it with the bubble gum. Junos. Pangilang galaw na natin ito, Junos? One.
Yun,
Kailangan. Bagyo.
Nakailang.
Apat pa lang.
Nakailang tabi tayo eh. Piling Tita Cho. Punta kay Tita Cho.
Hindi.
Dinner pa tayo.
Ano naman yun eh?
Nag-dinner tayo eh. Bundok. Hindi nga nakasama si ate nun eh.
Hindi, meron tayong isa na dumiretso tayo ng Tagaytay, diba? Tapos,
Ay, yun kayo nagkaibiyang tayo.
meron din tayong isa galing tayong kay Biyang, diba? Tunnel. Tapos Pililya, Tagaytay, dalawa.
Yung una Pililya.
Tapos Baguio. Tapos ito. Baka Jonas yan.
SM to a flight.
Yeah, where's our kite?
On the...
Got stuck? Nakuha ba namin yun? Pero ang tagal din namin pinalipad yun, diba? Ang tagal din. Ano nangyari dun?
Because there was an ano,
Oo. Kaya siya sumabit. Kasi ang
Sobrang
taas
lakas
niya
ng
na.
hangin.
Tapos ang lakas ng hangin.
Wait,
You made a friend there. I don't know the name. You don't
Yeah.
ask for their
You
name.
don't ask for names. You don't
were
tell them your
playing
name.
Frisbee.
Yeah, you played with frisbees. 2 kids, diba? Lalaki ba yun?
Lalaki. Pero
You always tell them your name, anak, and you ask them their name.